Yeah, the music is exciting and the filter on the footage, it's kind of cool, but I would like you to see this video footage the way I took it. We're visiting a furnace that was used in steel making up until I believe 2009, and today you can visit that. You can climb up on it. This is in Duisburg, Germany. So the rest of this footage is left unedited. I just cut it here and there. I hope you enjoy. We're going backwards. Maybe we got the wrong way. There's more. That way. Oh. Let's try that one. See, there's stuff up there. We have no idea what we're doing here, but it is kind of exciting just to be able to go on here. Going up those steps. They're kind of worn, I can feel it. I'll keep going. Look at the view. Holy. Oh, after you. Dum, 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 dum. Holy, we're going in the dark. There's all kinds of valves here and stuff. And I don't know if you can even see me. Ah, there's the light. Yeah.
Ich kann das nicht! Ich meine 60 Kilo mal hochgeweitet. Okay, aber dann kann ich mich mit beiden Händen festhalten. Ich habe komplett nasse Hände, ey.
Woohoo!
Ich glaube, die hören nicht bis da unten, Jode.
Weißt du, woran ich mal denken muss? An der Dschungelcamp, wo dieser Joey im Dschungelcamp war und gesagt hat, ich will morgen nicht aufwachen.
So. Das wusste ich gar nicht. Ich glaube, die haben keinen Malabunga im Dschungel, oder?
Das Licht ist ganz gut. Guck mal, wie die Röhren.
Oh, the pipeline. Keep on going up. We just had a huge meal. And now we're going up and up and up. I think that's it. But this is pretty far. We're pretty high up here. I try to zoom in on Barbara. She's seen me. Now I can zoom in on her. I'll try to zoom in on her. That's Barbara and our bikes. And Barbara.
Genug Speicherplatz.
Oh,
Ja, das, weil ich
schade.
immer Fotos mache und irgendwann ist halt
Ja.
Ende.
Musste irgendwie die Fotos so anders drauf machen dann. We're just gonna look at this industrial wheel kind of thingy. It's got a ginormous piece of chain there. And then we're looking into some kind of dead stuff. Like, I wouldn't want to fall in there. I don't think we can go any higher up than this. It's just amazing. We can be up here.
Sehe ich gar nicht.
Yeah.
Das waren glaube ich eins.
Well, it looks like I'm on top of a steel oven, smelter, or whatever it's called. It's pretty darn amazing. See, what we see over there is the Autobahn. See, the building across has some pictures of other industrial installations, and it's got some neat green lighting. Well, this was a nice adventure, or it still is, but now I'm gonna have to go back down, and I'm picking a different set of stairs just to have a change here, and I'll have to look where I'm stepping actually, so I cannot look at you the whole way, because that would be crazy. Right, Heike and Frank are over there.
So, aber als es noch relativ neu war.
All right. Continue the way down. You can see that it's a little steep here, so I really don't want to be looking at the camera, but I want to be looking down, so I don't do a wrong step and wipe out on this. Good thing it's not raining today, because that could be kind of nasty. Quickly losing more light, and now at this point I have to go over to the other set of stairs, because I think there are more people. I have to wait for them to get up here. I have to admit that at this point my camera just suddenly died. Actually, the memory card was full. I hope you enjoyed this video. Furnace number 5 was used in steelmaking until about 2009, and then it was shut down. Today it is an industrial heritage site. You could make my day by giving this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider it. I have a lot of other videos you might enjoy, and they're quite different from this one actually.